गिरा
What's up guys? Now it's been months that I haven't vlogged, and I have to say there is this nervousness that hits the mind when I think about vlogging now. And it's not like I haven't been recording videos or speaking to the camera, it's just that when I think of vlogging I just get a little conscious now. And I feel like the reason that happens is vlogging is something that you have to create and connection with the audience, and I feel like if that connection goes, or if I cannot connect with the audience, that's really bad. And I self-proclaim myself as the vlog king, so the vlog king has to make one of the best videos on YouTube, the best vlogs on YouTube. So yeah, let's start the vlog. Yeah, this is the first time you're going to see me with wearing a mask on the channel. Actually, it's two masks. It's pretty ridiculous. I look ridiculous with the gloves and with the mask. But you got to do what you got to do, guys. And there will be lighting issues because I'm going down. So what's the plan for today? The plan is that we are going to buy gifts for our friend Maitreyi. I'm going to meet Amanda and Glad, and we are planning to make a gift box for her. So the gift box will include pens, books, etc, etc. We have to print out a lot of stuff, so now the goal is to go and meet them so we can finish the whole printing work. I have to say, मुझे लगा था कि कांड हो गया है क्योंकि मेरा रिचार्ज खत्म हो गया and I couldn't call. But guess who's already ready here, guys? No, we can't do that, you dumb shit. Dipshit, that's the whole purpose. Still, prevention before whatever, or protection. Where's your bike? This is your bike? Oh, I was like, ये ले लिया तूने? Dude, I just realized normally I have to keep the phone like that, and for you I have to keep the phone like that. Crazy. So how you are planning to come, Amanda? अरे आज स्कूटी नहीं लाई तू? साइकिल? ओह, I am just doing this to expose. कितना मजा आएगा ये जब YouTube पे आएगा.
लेटेस्ट पोस्ट करने का पोरूंगा.
Guys, any of my viewers is Tamil, please let me know. I was learning, so Nan unne kadilla kiran.
Nana unne kadilla kiran.
Yeah, what do you think? I don't know Tamil. Glad your fighter's kit is right there. Oh, I'll edit it out and I'll keep no biceps there. What are you up to, Amanda? So today is 19th July 2020 and two of my friends are celebrating their birthdays. एक temporarily Gujarat चली गई है and one is in Mumbai. So I could not celebrate Radha's birthday because she's in Gujarat, but I can definitely celebrate Maitri's birthday. So basically we made a whole gift box and everything for her, and now I have to meet Glad and Amanda and Yash, and we'll go to her place, but we wouldn't really meet her because we don't want to make any scenes, etc. But the main goal is to give her the gift and then come back home, and I hope it makes her day. What up Glad? The vlog is in 4K. She's the busy woman, it's okay. And this is the gift box that we made for her. मेरे को लगा आशीष का फोटो एकदम इतना बड़ा रहेगा, पता चला आशीष का इतना छोटू सा है. बहुत हंसने आया. ओहो, ये क्या है? What is this? Damn Glad, show me this.
It's cute now.
Yeah.
पकड़ना मैंने.
Oh wow. Bro, that
was the easiest face to cut, you know that.
what's this? Love is the most powerful thing. Forget Shawn Mendes when you already got the savage right. Yes, through like and subscribe. Oh, I like how Maria looks really cute here.
I said the same thing.
Maitri, you will always be the Rachel to my Monica. I love you. Audrey, why is Audrey's face so pixelated?
I had to zoom in.
Josh also looks really nice.
His hair, come on.
We should have called him actually. I just forgot. और अपना सब nail polish किसमें है? Yeah, the sunflower is very pretty.
It's heavy also.
हाँ, देख मैंने ना मैं सोच के आया कि मैं तेरे को shout out देगा. So this is Amanda. Amanda, you can show your. Do not take my
Spotlight.
Oh, we should do it in slow motion. It will be so much fun. So Amanda makes all this crafts and thing. Amanda, मैं बोल रहा हूँ. A lot of people are telling you start this business.
I will.
So in case she starts it, I will leave the links in the description box. If not also, if you want to see hot images, you can see Glad's Instagram account. Yes, that is what I meant. She's so smart that we bought the book and everything, and then she's putting on Instagram that I want this book to all the boys I've loved, and that too 2 days before. How are we supposed to do anything?
Really smart.
Yeah. You know, guys, what I've been wondering from the start, that from 3 days we were getting scared it will rain.
But luckily it didn't.
Yeah, the universe really likes her. I was so tense. I was like, see guys, we brought a plastic bag and everything. What I'm going to do now, we'll call her and then we'll tell her ki wear your Pramosh prettiest dress or something, and then we'll tell her to unbox it, and then we'll see her reaction and that all. I'll tell her mom to record or some shit like that. Bro, this looks really nice, man, in 4K. David and Gola. What up, Yash? Yash, you have to not hug. It's Corona. Social distancing. It's okay. हाँ यार, ये तूने बनाया है क्या? बैटमैन का एकदम मास्क लग रहा है. घर पे बनाया तूने? It's a website to order. Then? Oh, something new I learned today. ठीक है, चलो जाते बैठो. I think it is this one. The thing is we are confused now कि उसका कॉलोनी सोसाइटी कौन सा है. अरे हाँ, we can check now. It's here. अच्छा, okay. Get the box. Get the box. Glad park the bike at least properly. Call. There's something for you there. Yes. You ruined the surprise. I told you to get ready and call me.
We want to see expressions. Open your
Yeah. चश्मा निकालने नहीं बोला था. चश्मा रख. Just sing happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Maitri. Happy birthday to you. May the good.
I'm literally shivering. Thank you. ये मेरे लिए कोई तो बोल के ना मेरे को ये कौन है? गिरा मत. मेरे हाथ
So okay, see, I'll explain you all the gifts. That is a Parker pen, so you can write all your stories. This is, I don't know, this is किसने लिखा है? Amanda, you got to read the cards aloud. हाँ.
नहीं, not necessarily.
Why glad you wrote something? Huh? The whole thing is by me. It's a master plan by Ryan D'Souza, but it's contributed by all of us. हाँ
Bajji, how happy are you?
मैंने ये सब चीज बना मैं ही ये सब करती हूँ।
glad like and subscribe the Savage Vibe please and share the videos. Is this what I'm thinking it is? What is this? I never seen this before.
What is this?
I don't know. I think, oh, I know what it is. It is what you wanted.
Oh God, you. अभी खोलो क्या ये? अभी खोल के दूँ? I'll open this.
I like how Amanda took so much efforts for.
ये क्या है?
Okay. ये चीज you have to read alone, not in front of mummy ji. This is.
सच्ची है?
Yeah.
This will explain everything.
So pretty, man.
गिरा मत, एक सेकंड उसके हाथ में मत दे, ऐसा मेरे को बहुत डर लग रहा है. This is from Glad. Glad has made this and it is very artistic.
Oh wow.
I was like, did you guys see the stool there? But अब तक कैमरा चालू नहीं हुआ.
दिशा पटनी है ना ये?
No,
Patni.
Tara.
पटानी है ना वो
पटनी
तारा सुतरिया.
Sorry, yeah.
Then you should have not cut ahead, bro.
get shot.
That is the most powerful.
But yeah, British accent.
क्या British accent? Please read that loud.
We always speak in British accent. More at the Atta shop.
Atta shop.
Oh yeah, I've only met him once.
Who?
Why are you shivering?
Oh,
Why are
हाँ.
you shivering?
Now this is. Remember, I asked you 4 authors. Choose one. James Patterson, Neil Gaiman, blah blah blah. I forgot. This is so that you can write all your stories better.
Are you fucking
Give it.
kidding me, Ryan? Yellow पसंद है.
क्या पसंद नहीं कि पसंद है?
पसंद है करके उसने बोला।
ऐसे- मैं अमांडा को बहुत मारता था. ऐसे मैंने बोला था कि
सब मेरे फेवरेट कलर है.
Thank you, Amanda.
ये कौन सा कलर है?
वाइन ये राइन
Fine.
का है।
अरे the thing is we wanted to take matte purple.
ओ, इसके अंदर एक बुक मार्क भी
हाँ यार. One more page. ये भी cool.
See, not our mistake that you 2 days before you said you want to all the boys I love.
ये भी ये बहुत अच्छा लगा.
रंग लाई।
This is made by you, ना?
क्रेडिट देना ये नालायक।
Sub made by मतलब everything that's decoration is made by Amanda. The master plan is Ryan D'Souza and it could not have been happened by Glad. And thanks Yash for coming. And Ashish is the biggest contributor, remember. So Ashish, I know you're watching this. Thank you. Take in case तेरे को box अच्छा नहीं लगा, and you can remove it and use it as a Nike box.
मैं सोच रही थी, I mean ये selfish sound करेगा, but I was like डैनी के बर्थडे के लिए रायन ने इतना एफर्ट्स लिया और मेरे को
अरे?
बेबी बोलता है और कुछ भी नहीं.
सीधे तो डबल किया हम लोग. सीधे तो
I
डबल
know,
किया.
right? I wish तुम लोग को भी हॉट टाइम लगती थी, but
See guys, now the bar for doing things on my birthday has reached there. So do not disappoint me guys. So, guys, I do not go out every day. Just for your information. Why are you winking, you idiot? Yeah, that always happens.
हम सीन कितना बढ़ता है और गाड़ी भी कैसा आ रहा है, इधर आ रहा है बीच में नहीं आ रहा है. तो सब करना पड़ता है.
You can be there's this guy Guinness World Record of the longest beard.
Let's see.
You can do like that and shit.
वो अभी ये तो बांधने के लिए हेयर बैंड तो नहीं चाहिए
है ना
ऐसे
हम लोग के
बांधने
पास अभी
का। क्या है इधर?
हेयर बैंड.
तो पार्टी किधर है?
शाम को दे रही है वो, तू जाना.
हाँ किधर? क्या है पार्टी? हाँ 6 feet apart.
That sounds like a good movie name, guys. 6 feet apart.
मूवी
Oh,
कैसन हुआ? बहुत सालों बाद. ये सब तेरे लिए, ये सबके लिए लाया हूँ.
I know so nicely she took the whole package. She's like, मैं भी छुपते छुपते मैं लेके जाऊंगी.
मैं इसको गाली दे.
तुमने मेरे को पकड़ने के लिए दिया था.
क्या? Nice catch, guys.
नो नमस्ते.
क्या है मेरे लिए ऐसे कर रहे
बोली नमस्ते. कोरोना है.
तू भी रैंक में निकला है.
मेरा इंड जैसे निकला. वीडियो खास. हाँ.
I want.
Yes. Thanks.
Yeah, she's getting high on this one.
Yeah, it does smell nice. I think so smells nice. See?
I like her sanitizer. लाया था.
That's for where it's from.
Purposely, he's like, everyone will use. In school, they used to do, my tiffin everyone will take.
बुराई बिल्कुल है.
They seem to really like glad. Attack मत करना, सिर्फ कैमरा है. Please. ओह, मेरे बर्थडे पे हस्की एंड नॉर्स मिथोलॉजी का बुक.
कितना फोटोग्राफ लगा?
Ouch. Ouch. Okay, you guys can continue playing. So bye, Grad. Bye, Mandy.
Bye.
मेरे को keep me updated. Let me know what are the updates. So bye, guys.